Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can claim your warranty card ID in your Infinix ID that you have made it on your settings. How you can activate this feature. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First open the settings and you have to just log into a Infinix ID. Click on the I have agreed and read the user agreement and privacy policy, and you can also give your phone number, Gmail, or I have just selected Google Gmail ID. Click on the Gmail ID that you have to select, and it is verify account. You can see it is created the ID, and then you have to click on Ewarranty card ID. Click on it and you can use now, and you have to just agree this. Click allow, and friends, you can see this, your ID has been activated. You can do this. You have to just click on the warranty card to activate your warranty ID. You can see it is activated. If you can't find out your warranty card, you can click on anywhere else, you can find out, and you can see there are nearby services. You can see this and activate and go there, and you can also contact them for their service policy or anything. You can see this, and you can change the password and edit your profile also. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.